Hey guys, in this video we're gonna fix the dismiss problem over on Instagram. So network error or network dismiss is a common issue that can occur when using Instagram, and it typically means that there is a problem with the connection between your device and the Instagram server. So in order to fix that problem, you need to go to your device settings, and if there is any Wi-Fi connection is connected to your device, make sure to remove that network and try to rejoin it. Once you have done with that, now you're gonna go to your settings again, and over there you have to go to applications, and then you have to go to applications management. Here basically all the applications that are installed on your device will be displayed. Alright, so once you're there, now you have to search for Instagram, and in Instagram you have to go to storage usage and click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory of the Instagram will be deleted. After deleting the corrupted cache, you're gonna go and back to the main page of your device. Go back to your home page of your device, and then you're gonna go to your Google Play Store and search for the VPN named 4x1 warp. It's a very good and efficient VPN. You can use it and try to fix your error. After connecting VPN to any of the suitable server, you're gonna go to your Instagram back and check if the problem is fixed or not. So these are some certain solutions through which you can fix the dismiss error of the Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.